There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Getting to know us, sending us a quick chat, quick text. I'm sending it now. Wait a second.
Here is the beauty about today's assignments and this checklist. If you guys click on this link, you guys can write any assignment. Let's say we had an exit ticket for math. I can write it down right here. I can put the URL, so it's like edulastic.com slash whatever, right? Now, I can move on to the next one where I'm like, maybe I have an English assignment. I'm going to go back to my calendar. So I'm going to click on calendar. And I'm going to actually, give me 1 second, I'm going to stop sharing real quick. I'm going to go to my calendar. And then it's going to tell me all my assignments that were due for that week. There we go. Click on classwork. I'm going to look for calendar. Got it. So it's going to tell me all the classwork that is due for each class. I know it's going to come up super tiny, but if you click on it, you're going to see an assignment that pops up, and you're also going to see the URL or the website. So I would just copy down the title of the website and copy down where you can find it. So it's just easy access for you guys. And also, one thing I love about this checklist is that once you're done with it, you see these little checklist pictures over here? You can actually move it, put it right on top, and say you're done. Personally, I love that feature when they showed me. I thought that was like real cool.
Okay, so we have in the chat. Can we jump back to the calendar? How to get to the calendar? Let's start from the beginning of just how to use your get to your calendar. Just a review.
All right, so I'm gonna go back to my Google Classroom. I clicked on classwork. I'm gonna find where it says Google Calendar. I'll click on it, and it's gonna show me all my assignments. Alright, I'm getting a few chat. Give me 1 moment. Alright, so I'm going to be doing this again. Some people have asked for it. So I'm going to go. Okay, I'll even start from the beginning here. So the code that we gave you is going to pop up to this Valor 8th grade Google Classroom screen. I'm going to then look at the top and see classwork. I'm going to click classwork, and then all of your assignments will pop up here. We're going to do one more step here. We're going to look at Google Calendar. We're going to click Google Calendar. And this is the page where you're going to be finding out when your assignments are due. If you're with me, put a thumbs up. If you need me to explain it a different way, put a thumbs down. All right, thank you, Tiffany, Marcel. All right, Miss Tran.
Also, just to throw this out there, I want us to start using our participation chat. I think that like, so we can look at it, where you have the green button, yes, no, just, and they actually have an item where it says go slower or go faster. I actually want us to use that because sometimes I miss them on screen. Just FYI, just throwing that out there for the greater good.
All right. So use this time. I'm going to give you guys the next, let's say, 4 minutes. Fill out the rest of your checklist me, or Miss Mayo, and myself are going to be coming around, checking in with you guys. If you guys already have your checklist done, you guys can complete any other assignments that you have missing or are incomplete. And if you guys are done, I would grab an independent reading book.